Hey guys, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. Working on the trunk of the 57 210 today. Trying to get this piece tacked in here. I do have to manipulate it a bit to get the spare tire well in, but I think it'll all work out. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of welding here. So. All right. Get that tacked in, and then we'll just adjust where we need to. The spare tire well should drop in, but as you can see, it's a little bit here where it's not. The flange is different, so a bit of hammer and dolly work, and then get this down to where it needs to be, and I think we're in good shape. So I'll get that welded across there. That'll make all except for this flange here complete on this inside here. Replacing all the metal. Still got to go to the driver's side. So, but switched up a little bit to get some wins. Working on the fenders, working on the inner structure of the fenders. So, but that's what we're doing today. A little bit of welding, a little bit of fitting, a little bit of hammering. So, take it easy. Get to work on your project if you got one.